Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually create a Rockstar Social Club account. It's very easy, let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your browser and head to socialclub.rockstargames.com, and it will take you to this page. Now from here we get the launcher. Simply press Get Launcher, download for Windows. And here the .exe will start to download. Now once the download process has been finished, we can simply open up the .exe file. And here we can open up the game launcher and it will take us right here. Now press yes. From here you can select the language that you want to choose. Press continue. Press continue. Accept the terms. Press continue. And here choose a folder that you want it to be installed in. Press continue. And here it will start to install Rockstar Games launcher. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And once the installation process has been done, this little icon will appear and we can close it. And now the Rockstar Games launcher should open up, as you can see right here. So once the installation process has been finalized, it will take you to this screen. Now as you can see, it asks me to sign in, but I'm not a member yet, so all I have to do is go right here and create a new account. Now here, accept the terms, press next, and it will take you to this screen. Now fill in all of this information for yourself, and I'll be right back with you once I've done it. Now once you've given the information for your account, and here you can set your profile visibility, show my friends, show my country, and here the activity, we scroll down until we find create account. Now we simply press create account, and as you can see there has been a verification check, so simply check the verification. And emails may take several times, so go to your email address that you've just signed in and check the verification. Now once you've checked the verification on your email address, simply check verification right here and it will process to your account. And as you can see, scan for installations. Now you can simply cancel this, and this is it. Now you have the games launcher right here and you have a social club account. Now from here you can use the games launcher, and that's it. Here you see the settings and here is your account. Now that's it. If you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll try my very best to help you. Leave a like and subscribe if this tutorial has helped you. Thanks for watching.